You'll have love at first sight with the 2012 Honda CR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: moonroof, backup camera, fog lamps, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seat, tire pressure monitoring system, cruise control, ABS. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.